Guided Meditation, Tranquil Horizons. Welcome to this sacred moment of stillness. Sit or lie down comfortably, close your eyes, and let the rhythm of your breath guide you. Together, we'll explore a serene inner horizon where calm and clarity reside. Grounding in stillness. Begin by taking a deep breath in, feeling the air enter your body, and slowly exhale. As you breathe, imagine roots growing from your body into the earth, grounding you deeply. Each breath draws in calmness, and each exhale releases tension. Feel the stillness around you expand, enveloping you in a cocoon of peace. Walking the path of serenity. Visualize yourself walking along a soft forest path. The air is crisp, and sunlight filters gently through the leaves. Each step you take feels light yet purposeful. You are surrounded by nature's whispers, guiding you forward. With each breath, allow the rhythm of your steps to synchronize with your heartbeat, carrying you deeper into tranquility. Embracing the present moment. Pause for a moment in this peaceful place. Imagine a vast horizon stretching before you, endless and open. This is your space, free of judgment, worry, or fear. Breathe deeply, feeling the weight of the past and the uncertainty of the future melt away. In this moment, everything is as it should be. Allow yourself to be fully present. Infinite peace within. Feel the serenity expand from your heart outward, like ripples in a still pond. Let this peaceful energy wash over you, filling every corner of your being. You are held in a timeless space, where worries dissolve and only calm remains. Trust this stillness, it is always within you. When you're ready, gently bring your awareness back to your body. Wiggle your fingers and toes, and let your eyes open slowly. Carry this feeling of tranquility with you, knowing that you can return to this peaceful horizon whenever you need it. This is your space of calm, your tranquil horizon, always waiting for you.